You are finally qualified for a single mortgage should you purchase your first home or purchase your first investment property. I'm going to show you how to do both through house hacking. Let's get it.
Waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes, watching all this time slip by. Now I realize.
Hello YouTube viewers, my name is Eric Pinkney, owner of Pinkney Estates, the blueprint for real estate investing for newbies. If this is our first time meeting, please consider subscribing for weekly content. Eric, what is house hacking? It is a real estate investing strategy where you live in one of your multi-units, but you consider it as your primary residence while the other units pay for your mortgage. That's right, live for free. For example, you bought a duplex. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths on each side, okay? For simplicity's sake, I'm leaving out the taxes and insurance, okay? So let's say you bought that duplex for $200,000 at 4%. So that gives you a monthly mortgage payment of $955. You follow me? Okay. So you live on one side and you're charging a tenant, you guessed it, $955. And bam, you're living for free. 1 to 4 unit properties can qualify for a single family mortgage. That's FHA, conventional if you want to, but if you want to save money, I would rather go with FHA, USDA, or VA. Anything that's 0 down to about 3.5% down. But beware, 0 down payment does not mean 0 closing costs. So please consult with your lender. Anything more than 4 units will be considered commercial property, and it will not work out in this scenario. Imagine that you bought a 4-plex and you're charging 3 units $955 each. Let's do some math on that. Okay, you have 3 units, all paying $955 a month. Okay, 3 times 955, that is $2,865 gross. Now, don't forget, you do have your expenses. And in this example, we're just focusing on the mortgage, okay? So, $2,865 minus your monthly mortgage of $955, that gives you a net profit of $1,910 a month in profit. You follow me? Is this, are y'all getting this? I mean, do you see the value in this right here? I'm telling you, I'm giving this shit away every week, all week. Well, not all week, every Wednesday. This is house hacking, ladies and gentlemen. You can use the same scenario in a single family property if you don't mind living like a college student. Meaning, you have to rent out the rooms instead of the units. But if you like your privacy, like me, then yeah, just stick with the multi-unit properties. It's time for the toasty tip of the day. Toasty! House hacking will make you a landlord. You will be responsible for maintaining the property, the lease agreements, the money coming in and out, and much more. Now, if it were me, I would hire a property manager to take the stress and liability off myself. They typically charge 10 to 12% per month, and they pull that from the gross monthly income. Now, that's a small price to pay for peace of mind, don't you think? We are at the end of this week's video, but wait, don't forget to complete the poll at the top corner. Remember, you get to choose the topic of discussion every single week. If you want to continue to receive free and valuable real estate content, please smash that subscribe button, like this video, and share with your mom and them. See you next time.